Welcome back friends to my channel Learn with Krishan, and today we are here to deal with a very interesting topic: how to schedule your message over the Telegram app. This option is not available in WhatsApp, it is available on Telegram. Right, means suppose if you want to wish your friend on birthday or family member over the birthday, or any wishes you want to give on a particular time and you are not available, or you may be busy, or you are doing some work, or it may be late night, then how to do it this? So it's very easy. Just start your Telegram app, right, to whom you want to send the message, okay, and type the message: happy birthday dear Krishan. So what generally we are doing, we are clicking on this button. So we are talking about desktop version, so you should not click on this one, okay, you have to right click on this option, right? Don't simply send, right click on this option and click on the option schedule message. Now you can see the time is 13:18, right? Okay, so let us schedule this message on 13:19. okay, then we will click on the schedule, right, January 28th, the same day. Okay, now we'll wait. Okay, so this is showing a schedule message, right? So we will be there. Here you can see there is an option appeared which was not there earlier. Now we'll wait for some time to check out whether the message is going to be posted on scheduled time or not. So you can see still some 15 seconds are there, so we'll wait for up to 15 seconds. I really enjoyed with this option because it is not available in WhatsApp, and every time we have to wake up by 12 o'clock to wish our beloved to happy birthday, happy marriage anniversary, or any other whatever we can wish. So I found this very handy and interactive and useful for me, and it is really useful for you also. So now you can see the time is 13:19, but the message has not posted. What is the reason behind that? 28:13:19, is it the same way? January 28 13:29. Oh sorry, we have scheduled on 13:29, right? So we will modify it again quickly. We'll reschedule. There is an option called as a reschedule, and you can see we will write it here 20, and we will check it whether it's going to schedule on that time or not. So you can see the message got scheduled on 13:20, and time is very near to this. So let us see whether it is going to be posted automatically. Yeah, you can see the message got posted automatically. So really you can enjoy this option, and without any trouble you can wish to your family, friends and beloved anytime. Whenever you are not free but you want to post the message, you can go for the schedule option. Nothing you have to do, simply you can type it, and then you have to right click, then schedule option will come, right? Okay, and you can schedule this message. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you everybody.